the unboxing of the Viofo A119 version 3, kindly sent to me by Viofo. An external power supply, ready to connect to the battery. There is a difference between the A119 V3 box and the A119 V3 Quad HD. One side of the box, a 2-inch HD screen, rotatable lens, super night vision, 140-degree view angle, super capacitor, GPS logger optional. Front of the box, Sony Stavis sensor, Quad HD, advanced parking mode. And on the other side, A119 V3 car camera specifications, 2560 by 1600p, 2560 by 1400p, 30 frames per second. Sony 5 megabit Stavis sensor, Stavis, f1.6 aperture, 7 element glass lens, 140-degree wide viewing angle, 2-inch LCD display, GPS logger optional, circular polarizing lens for optional, advanced parking G2, G-sensor and motion detection, super capacitor powered, quick release mount. Let's go on to opening the box. It's a sturdy box, much sturdier than the original. It slides apart. The dashcam sat in the front. Looks very much like the V2, but completely different hardware and different lens. This one is fitted with a GPS, a single mount, and that's your V3 GPS, so it's probably not compatible with the V2 GPS either. You can see a single mount, but it mounts in a similar method. Okay, let's look see what else is in the box. Instruction manual. I'm not sure the camera will focus on this, so I'm using the Gitup G3 Duo as a camera in the highest res. covers most aspects. You will have to subscribe and keep an eye on my YouTube channel. That's the instruction manual. Another box in the bottom. Cable clips, UPS lead, various stickers, and one for the actual GPS to camera, and then one for the actual mount, a piece of string for removing the mount from the windscreen, two standard mounts, and a long USB lead and cigarette lighter USB connection. That's the pack. Over here, the other pack, the external power supply. Try and open this bag and get new design, always on power supply. Yes, several options via the switch on the side. There's 11.8 volts to 23.6. There's 12 volts or 24. There's 12.2 or 24.4, 12.4 or 24.8. The choice is yours, what power supply you use. I would be a little bit cautious of anything under 12. But if you want to get home, if you're going anywhere, you might need the battery. Right, that's the package, that's the deal. There's no SD card supply, and there is no CPL. I haven't checked, but it's possible that the V2 type CPL will fit. Looks similar. I shall let you know when it's mounted in the car. I'll produce another video to check it out.